In this Jobbermatic review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's going to allow you to create your own job search websites and get paid every single time someone searches and applies. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades and how you can get a discount on every single one of them. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Jobbermatic, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. All these different bonuses will be waiting for you inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales pitch here together. It says new cloud software builds beginner-friendly, 100% done for you, profitable job search sites in 90 seconds with 3 income streams. Create multiple profitable job search sites, 100% beginner-friendly, 8.5 million jobs and listings, updated hourly, fresh content, free traffic built in, automated site with free daily traffic, see results in as little as 24 hours. So essentially what these sites do is they allow you to create these websites that people search, and when they apply, there's an affiliate program when they apply for the jobs and you get paid for that. Here's money that they say they've made here. I can't verify that it's made from this actual software, but it's money that they made. Step 1, you choose which jobs to focus on. Step 2, enter your affiliate ID. Step 3 says sit back and let your site earn affiliate commissions. Of course, you're going to have to promote it out there and get some traffic running to it, but it's a pretty cool idea. I've never seen anything like this before, and I just think it's kind of neat the way that he's done this here with this. So you can go in unlimited auto build sites with profitable job listings, unlimited traffic from search and social media, profit from free traffic. And you can get either a multi-site license or a single. Multi lets you have 3 sites for a very low one-time price. Also, try to move your mouse away in the sales page. Sometimes a pop-up will come up giving you a discount. I haven't seen one on this one, but always try it here. Also, before we move over here, I want to show you this right here. This is an actual site made with this. See, people can go in and like search for a job. I don't know, work from home. And you can see it auto fills in. And I want it in Bangor, Maine. That's where I'm from. So search. These different jobs come up, 157 jobs come up here. And when people, there's ways of making money for you. If they click on these ads here, you can make money. And they go to one of these jobs and they apply for it, you make money as well. So it's really cool. Like you can make a helpful website. You could post this on the internet to, like, when people are trying to search for jobs somewhere, you can help them to find a job and actually help them and get paid at the same time. That's pretty cool. Okay, let's take a look at a demo and I'll be back to show you the OTOs.
I'm going to show you how you can build money-making job search sites that get free traffic and generate affiliate commission every day. Jobbermatic is a cloud-based app that builds 100% automated job search sites. They come with free hosting included and you can access the software anywhere from a web browser. There is nothing to install, you don't need to worry about software updates, and you can build your first site in 3 easy steps. It literally takes 2 minutes to set it up. First, log into the dashboard and click Build a New Site button. Let's give our site a name, and here you can pick a free subdomain. You can choose which of the 30 countries you want your site to focus on. If you want your site to target a specific city, state, or region, you can select the default location here. And if you'd like your site to focus on a specific type of jobs, you can pick the job title here. Click the Save button and your site is created almost instantly. Let's go back to Sites and click on the domain link. You'll notice how clean the site is. And it's filled with millions of active job listings, and new ones are added every hour on a complete autopilot. Now here's the fun part. When people come to your site looking for a job, they're going to use the search, and as soon as they click on any of the job listings, you'll get paid for that click. All these job results use your affiliate link to take them to the page where they can apply. This is how your site makes money, and that's just one of the 3 affiliate income streams built into it. You're also going to be earning affiliate commission from banner ads. The software is integrated with ClickBank, which is one of the largest affiliate networks in the world. The ads are using your ClickBank affiliate links and they are shown in the sidebar. These are highly targeted offers for job seekers. Every time they click these and buy, you get paid commission. And here's the third income stream integrated into your site. All job results have these text ads placed on the very top before the actual listings, so they are impossible to miss. And these ads use your affiliate links to promote a special type of offers where people don't have to buy anything and you still earn commission. When people click these ads, they are taken to the offer page, and you get paid when they either fill out a form, give their email address and hit submit, or enter their phone number or other information. As you can imagine, it's much easier to have somebody fill out a form than make them buy something. So this is a very lucrative income stream for a site, and we just had to include it in Jobbermatic. Your site also comes with a blog that already has some articles built in. If you want, you can add more content later for even more search engine traffic. Look, people search for jobs all the time, and the COVID-19 pandemic forced millions to change their careers, and millions around the world are still looking. This is your chance to help people find new employment opportunities, and you can even earn some decent money while doing so. So that's pretty much it. A very unique software, super easy to get started even if you're just a beginner and you've never made any profit online. I hope you pick it up and get started with your job search site today. Go ahead, click that buy button, and I'll see you inside the dashboard.
Okay, so the first upgrade you're going to see, it says on-demand traffic for your site. This is going to give you a traffic boost, build your email list on autopilot, more profits with an automated newsletter with this. It's going to give you send an automated weekly newsletter with this, so you can get more traffic coming in. So that's 37 for this one. Here's what I want to show you. Move your mouse away on this, and you can get $10 off. So make sure you do that. I make less as an affiliate by showing this to you, but I want to make sure you get the lowest price. Give me a like if you like the fact that I show those discounts and you want me to keep doing it in the future. Next one here that you're going to see, this one you can also do the same thing. Get a $20 off discount. This one gives you push alerts here, so you can do push notifications for more traffic. Next one here is unlimited sites with commercial rights. So you want to do unlimited sites and be able to have no limit on how many sites you create, and you can actually sell these. You can sell it on Fiverr, Upwork, Flippa, wherever you want. Make sure you move that mouse away and get that discount. Another one here, you can make your sites more profitable with more content, and without writing articles manually, it will do it for you. Next one here, daily roundups, unlimited auto-generated daily posts. Move your mouse away, get a discount on this one. And the last one is you can get reseller rights, keep 100% of the profits. Move your mouse away, you can get $100 off this one. All these OTOs completely optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about Jobbermatic and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about this, I guess the fact that it's saying it's like all done for you, blah, blah, blah. I mean, you will have to go out there and post your sites around. You want to get traffic to it. I would recommend posting it on Facebook, maybe post it on Reddit, maybe look for people that are looking for jobs and try to help them out with it. Like I said, you're helping people, so people shouldn't get too mad at you for helping them search for a job. What do I like about this? I think it's a fantastic idea. I love it. I think that it's really smart, the way that you're actually getting people to search for a job, find a job, and you get paid for it. It's a win-win situation for everyone. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at Jobbermatic, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel, and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.